I am happy, I am grateful, and I just enjoyed every step, every moment of this preliminary competition. And I would just like to take this opportunity to thank the Team Emma. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. I hope you enjoyed also the performance that I gave to you tonight. Ala, tanong natin dito sa... Tanong natin, actually meron siyang pangalan, pero tanong na lang natin sa pasarela trainer ko. Mommy, ano daw name?
The name of your pasarela. That's all the name.
It's Amazona Walk. Because Amazona is a warrior. We are a fighter. Palakan tayo.
Emma, ginaya ko yung pasarela mo, tinawag ako.
Ay, iba.
Iba daw.
Bakit?
Kasi bongga yung lakad mo.
Emma, ginaya ko yung pasarela mo, tinawag sa YouTube ng mga subscribers ng washing machine walk daw.
Akala ko shower.
So, ano sabi mo sa performance mo na?
Happy, sobrang happy ako, and I hope I made the Filipinos proud and all the international fans out there.
Wow, ang ganda-ganda mo, nakakaloka ka.
Thank you.
Sabi ko nga, grabe talaga yung spin mo, panalong-panalo. Inaral mo ba yun?
Alin yan?
Gano'n mo katagal inaral yung spin?
Anong spin yan?
Yung paikot-ikot, yung umikot-ikot.
I think nag-enjoy lang ako sa kanta. Both songs are really, really powerful, and I would just like to congratulate the MGI, Miss Grand International Organization, Grand Production indeed.
Tell us about your gown, Emma. Tell us about your gown.
My gown, it is designed by Rao of Laksa Luzon, and it is inspired by Thailand. As you can see, it's like a temple thing. So we are bringing Thailand and Philippines in one. And for the color, I think it represents fire, diba? Because we are the fire.
Emma, ang daming comments, ang ganda daw ng hair mo.
Thank you!
O, diba?
Kami Heart Zafra.
Magpapasabog ka ba sa finals?
Let's see!
So, panibagong gown na naman, syempre, diba?
Tingnan natin.
O, diba? So, ano pa mga abangan namin kay Emma?
Marami pa po.